The rust corrosion here is extensive. We'll need a full dermal resurfacing.
Confirmed. Adding notes on structural integrity.
The dashboard is completely destroyed, heavy water damage. Check the seats for structural integrity. Significant corrosion here, look at these wires.
The axles are completely seized, sir. Brake lines are corroded through. Let's try the hydraulic release on that second rig.
The damage is extensive here. Focus on the twisted panels and the corrosion at the supports.
Copy that.
And document the doors, they're unstable.
Hydraulics are online, ready when you are. All right, chains are secure. Copy that. Engaging hydraulics. Slow and steady. Clear the ground. Wheels are up, stabilizing. Keep it steady, watch the alignment.
Winch is engaged, move slowly.
Center it now. Stop, adjust left.
Confirmed, we have balance.
All right, let's hit this section hard. Copy that. Let's see if this stuff works.
Engaging lift. Slow, steady tension. Hold. Rotate slightly to the left. Lowering now. Guide it to the rack. Set.
All right, doors off first.
Got it. Watch the hinges.
Seats next. Be careful with the wiring.
Dash panels are loose. Getting them out now.
Okay, lift it nice and slow. Let's see what's under there.
Initiating lift, be careful with those wires.
Right, that looks like the main housing. Check the pressure lines first.
Keep it steady. Slowly. Left a bit, good. Watch the clearance. Perfect. All right, let's get that turbocharger.
Careful with that cooling assembly, it's heavy.
Aligning the torque wrench now.
Precision is key here. Every bearing, piston and seal must fit perfectly. Looking good. Frisian Legacy will run like new soon.
Gauging diagnostics. Tolerances verified. Perfect alignment. Project Frisian Legacy. Stage 1 complete.
Line it up, easy. Got it, now the pneumatic. Hand me the rag. She's almost ready. The primary systems are looking good. Temperatures are stable. Let's run a full diagnostic.
Cut right through it, good. Now, let's get that new rail fitted. Watch the angle, please.
The restoration is going well. We're reinforcing the load-bearing joints with long, controlled welds.
Line it up, right there.
Torque it down.
Done. Check the alignment.
The rear axles are ready for the new bearings.
Good. Let's start with the hubs up here.
Verified, they're pristine.
The refurbished linkages are set. Tighten that down. Got it. Torquing now. Holographics active. Let's fine-tune the alignment. Perfect. Readings are green.
Line secure, next one.
Coming through with the hydraulics now.
Watch the clearance on the third axle.
Keep it even, Character B. You got it, Character A. Perfect coverage.
The Frisian is almost ready. Look at that shine. Perfection. All right, start grinding that section out.
Panel is ready. Prepare to tack.
Looks solid. Start welding now.
Keep it steady. Perfect. Let's seal it up. Looking good. Almost done. Keep it steady there. Got it. Perfect. Next piece.
The seams are looking perfect now.
Agreed. The sealant holds brilliantly.
Excellent work, team. We've confirmed every section is primed. Ready for paint, leader. She's looking incredible.
Keep it even on the sculpture. Looking good. It's really shining. Line it up?
Okay.
Okay, got it. Torque wrench, please. Good. Let's get the drive shaft on. Line that up just a little to the right.
Okay, I'm adjusting now.
Perfect. Secure the exhaust bracket first. Hold, slow and steady.
A little to the left. Perfect. Let's secure these bolts.
Torque spec is at 100%.
Looks solid on this side.
Alignment is verified green. Final check on the seals.
Brake system checks complete. Steering components are calibrated. Suspension is tight, ready to roll.
Check the chassis and the mechanical coupling, ensure it's secure.
Confirmed, the wheels are good to go.
Tail section and electrical connections look solid. Let's send her in for testing.
Torque down the eye socket on the right.
Copy.
Copy that, locking it in. Rear lights are secure. Powering them on.
Initiating cabin systems. Checking auxiliary power conduits. Confirmation on the digital gauges. Displays are fully functional. Systems online. Powering up sequence initiated.
Main diagnostics online.
Confirmed. System check green.
All systems stable.
All right, final sequence. We're ready. Engaging power. Purrs like a kitten.
The wheels are pristine. Under the carriage is perfect. Ready for deployment.
It is finished. Absolutely magnificent. Ready for the road.
All right, big guy, ready to roll. Sure. Perfect. Pure power. The restoration is complete. She looks perfect. Amazing work, team. Looks flawless. Ready for the road. We did it! It's perfect. Looks like it could run forever.